first saddle, so our first sort of view from up above. Look at that amazing valley down below there. Absolutely beautiful. It's about 9:10 in the morning. The sun comes over the top of the hills around about 8:30, 9, depending on where you are, but absolutely stunning. There's the team behind us there. Busy having a look down into the valley. Awesome. We've had a longish dry walk around the side of the mountain here, but our second saddle pass is right over there. That's where we're going over.